Lately, there are many 3D printing firms that present shoe designs done on their technology. And I thought, what if I had to do a design for a Synthrotech S2 system? What would it look like? And that's how it looked like. I wanted to have, first and foremost, this sole that is only doable in SLS production. So you have this open design where you have force trajectories that really come to the ground in a specific place. And then an upper shoe that is printed in one shot with it. Yeah, that is not so much more than just a sock. And this in combination was the idea that led to this design. So is it possible to wear this shoe in real life? Yes, I would say you can wear it in real life. The whole shoe is one material, so this is as well TPE. The nice thing is also that you can adapt its shape to the personal foot. So you can 3D scan your foot and have then the upper shoe really adapted to your autonomy. So the shoe is called the Cryptide. Cryptids are creatures that appear in cryptozoology. That's, for example, the Yeti or the Bigfoot or Nessie from Loch Ness. So animals that many people talk about, but it's not really clear if they exist. But we have traces that these animals leave. And if you wear this shoe, you will leave traces like a cryptid would do if you come across one day in your life.
Introducing Mango Power Union, the world's first detachable power station with an ultra-large 6.9 kilowatt-hour battery capacity. Power outages are never fun, but we have a solution. Welcome to true energy independence with a 2-in-1 Mango Power Union, the smart home battery system that powers your home with an unrivaled 4,000-watt AC output. Enough to run your most important appliances during an outage or power heavy equipment around your home, even power demanding welders. Double the power, half the price, with a supercharged 6.9 kilowatt-hour battery that keeps your home running longer than other brands. Double, triple, or 10 times your energy by adding more Mango Power Unions. Stack up to 10 units for a true power hub. With the built-in dual inverters for 95% efficiency, a new milestone in home power performance. Connect easily to your home power grid with Mango Power M Panel for uninterrupted power supply. No more fear of power outages. Get your power back and running in no time. Charge the Mango Power fast. Just 2.5 hours to fully charge using solar or grid power. The Mango knows the cheapest time of day for off-peak charging and on-peak savings, plus daytime solar and nighttime grid charging to cut your energy bills. Want power in the indoors? The portable battery section easily lifts off the base for supercharged power wherever you go. 19 output ports means you can easily charge your family's devices with the Mango. Enjoy convenient outdoor power anywhere with the Mango Power and portable solar panels. Managing your entire home's energy has never been easier with the Mango Power app. Featuring M Boost mode for jobs that demand crazy power. True energy security with a 2-in-1 Mango Power Union, the smart home power solution you've been looking for. The Mango Power Union, power you can depend on.
Bacteria outbreak, just poor infrastructure. Our groundwater is just contaminated or depleted, and we need to find a new way to provide drinking water to people around the world who really need it. CarPure is a water dispenser that can make up to 10 liters per day of drinking water straight from the air. It has 9.2 pH, alkaline, and an alkaline environment can reduce the acidity in your body, and most bacteria can't live in an alkaline environment. It's one of the best water qualities that you'll find anywhere. I grew up in a town where we had bacteria in our well for 10 years, and it really affected my family's health. We started purchasing bottled water, and we never thought that we'd be the family to just have bottled water in our home. By using CarPure, you'll reduce the amount of plastic water bottles that you use in your home. CarPure uses something called a desiccant. It's like a volcanic rock, and it naturally can capture water from the air. There's other technologies out there that use refrigerants, like what's in your refrigerator, to cool the air, and it's really, really bad for the environment, and it's just really clunky and loud, and it's not a very practical solution for your home. The technology that we have in CarPure is silent, and it's naturally better for the environment because it's a natural component. It's a water dispenser, a really powerful air purifier, and also a strong dehumidifier, all packaged into one really beautifully designed product. As an architect, design is really important to me, and when designing CarPure, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just something that was functional, but also practical and would fit right into your home, and it'd be something your kids would love, that your guests would love, and it's something you could be proud of. CarPure is really, really simple to use. You don't need a water line, you simply just plug it in, and it'll make up to 10 liters per day. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can do that. If you want to leave it where it is, you can also do that. So CarPure is for anyone who just really wants to know that their drinking water is safe, people who have bacteria in their well, who live in a drought-stricken area, or just have really, really bad city water that they just can't stand. People who have seen this are just super excited to understand that this isn't a science fiction technology, it's a real thing, and that we can bring local drinking water to people all over the world right in their home. We've worked really, really hard to get this out there, and we're just super excited that you guys are excited about what we're doing. Thank you for helping us on our mission to bring clean drinking water to the world.
To PD6B's 20 kilogram max payload platform. The PD6B AW-ARM can work in high places, collect dangerous materials, and ship cargo to remote areas. The robot arms can carry a max load of approximately 10 kilograms and fly for 30 minutes. Making it suitable for long operations. A sophisticated algorithm maintains the drone's stability as its center of gravity shifts when using the robot arms. ProDrone possesses an unrivaled combination of sophisticated robotics technology and drone engineering innovation. We provide your services and application development with infinite possibilities.
What does it mean to feel connected? Most of our communication is mediated by screens. Our eyes and ears are engaged, but a vital part of us stays disconnected, our sense of touch. We've created the first product that allows you to feel virtual content and human connections with your bare hands.
This is absolutely whoa. God, that's pretty loud.
With the magic of VR and the power of ultrasound, Emerge Home brings touch and emotion to virtual experiences. Feel what we believe to be the next paradigm shift in human interaction.